All right, back in the garden. One thing I'm doing now, I might do this maybe every 3 or 4 months. I'll put some Fish Emulsion, some fish fertilizer on all the plants in the garden, any potted plants, my tree collards, what have you. This will give all the plants a little extra boost. And like a cook, there might be some directions on how to do this. I just put a little something in there, bam, and then mix it together. Boom. Before we put this on, I don't know if you can see some of these cucumbers. Let's see if we can find one. Here's one. Woo! Here's one. I don't know. Can you see that? Okay, boom. Okay, so the cucumbers. Oh, here's one over here. Cucumbers are gonna thrive. Got some carrots at the bottom. I think you guys remember maybe a couple of weeks ago, had some carrots down here. Let's see. Oh, if you guys take a look down here, we got some watermelon. In between the watermelon, those flowers are called marigolds. Those are companion plants that help deter bad insects and help draw the positive insects. So that's a little update on the garden. Real quick with the watermelons. Let's see if we can look down here. Hopefully we might be able to see a little watermelon bud. Let's see. Maybe right here. Maybe it's too early. We'll get back to you in a couple of weeks. All right. All praises to the Most High Yah. Boom.